What's up guys, and welcome to the 17th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about returning values. In the previous tutorials, I introduced you to the return statement and how to define, declare, and call a function. In this tutorial, we are working with returning values. Alright, so without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is type in int and width or whatever. You'll see why I'm doing width. Close that off. Declare a function that returns an int. Okay, so now int main, the proper function. Okay, int wd, you can do anything you want, equals width. Yes, semicolon, next line std cout. The width equals WD, close that off. Okay, now we need to have another function, int width. So yes, int a or whatever, it's up to you. std cout. Enter width in feet. Close that off. Next line, std cin a, close that off. Return. The expression is a times 12 or whatever. And then yeah. Okay, save that. Let's just talk about the program, run through it all over again. Okay, the first thing we did was int width. This is to declare a function that returns an int, where it says int wd equals width. Initialize a variable with the int value returned from the function, where it says std here on this line, prompt for the data, and where it says return a times 12, return an integer expression. Okay, let's execute this and see what we get. Build succeeded. Enter the width in feet. If I enter 144, what do we get? Width is 1728. So if I just put a new line here, save that. Execute this all over again. Build succeeded. Enter width in feet, so 144. The width is 1720. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.